Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back for another episode. We are at the reef, but today we're at Brewer Reef and we're diving the Underwater Museum of Art. And we're trolling right now. Doing some breakfast. Red throat. We just got a red throat when we first got here, so we're eating that for breakfast because everyone's starving. And we're on. Alright, we're gonna jump straight into it, so we'll see you guys if we get anything. Alright, lunchtime. We were in the middle of eating. Nicolo's hooked on. Is it something decent?
Yeah, I think.
Woo!
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
Oh, look.
Puffer fish?
Yeah. Nice.
Woo! Nice shark mackerel. I mean, we wish it was Spanish, but we're happy with that anyways. Alright. You want to dunk him on the head?
Can I? Are we flipping it?
Yeah. Do you want to keep it?
Sure.
Well, we can eat. We'll eat it. We'll just have it for dinner.
Yeah. Can I take a picture?
Yeah. Shark mackerels don't have to be as big as Spanish mackerels.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, you know what's up? Your favorite lover, just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? When you leave me like that, your favorite lover, do me like that. Ooh, just hit me when I think about that. I'm coming, I'll be coming right back on. Know what's up? Know what's up? Know what's up? Your favorite lover, do me like that. No, just hit me up.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Oh, that is a big red throat. Whoa. Wait, where's the? Pass me the light. Sorry. All right, oh, Matthias, stand next to it.
Yes.
Bro, that's a monster. All right, we're on.
I'm a
We're on.
beast, bro.
Open. That guy's a absolute tank.
I thought he
Bro,
was
that's the biggest one.
bro.
Biggest one we've ever gotten, eh?
Ah, yeah, puta.
Except I missed all of you.
Yeah. Look at the little pufferfish.
All right, that is the biggest red throat we've ever got. That is, oh, it's massive. Have a look at him.
We have to measure.
Yeah, we'll measure him. All right, we're gonna measure him and we'll let you know how big that one is, because that's definitely our biggest so far. All right, we've just measured this guy. 52 centimeters. Absolute monster. How do you feel, Matthias?
Oh, pretty stoked. It's gonna be a good night.
Alright, well, the sound is absolutely dead and we haven't got anything else besides that, so it'll be interesting as to whether or not we actually do well tonight, but we'll see. Alright, Nicola's hooked up to a shark.
Ring it!
Alright, Cameron's first. Oh! Big red throat! Big red throat! Watch out, you're gonna break the line! You're gonna break the line!
Oh my god.
Wow, that is a big red throat.
Competition.
Wait, give some slack. Give me some slack.
Open. What the fuck is this spot? It's supposed to be shit. We just got like 2 huge red throats and
Same size,
and
bro.
they're
Right, also,
short
no
and
swing, no swing.
There's brothers.
Okay, Cameron, how do you feel? Your first fish.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, that's a big. That might be even bigger than the one we got before. So much light down there. Whew. All right, so it's literally a dead glass off. Like, today has been probably one of the best days that I've seen in terms of conditions on the reef. We haven't scored too big with the fish, but like we've still got, you know, a fair amount of trout and some red throats and stuff. So yeah, not too bad. Yeah, I mean, have a look at that. That's just beautiful. Alright, so all these guys are on the jigs and stuff. I'm on pure bait. Pull up a trout and they're pissed off. Have a look at this beautiful fish on the bait. Biggest one of those I've definitely caught. Have a look at him. What's that? Nearly 38 centimeters. I mean, it's not a big fish, but for those, never got one like that size. Isn't this literally just an insane day? Like, have a look at the water. It's literally glass off. It's just insane. And I mean, unfortunately we didn't go to like the best reef for a day like this. We decided to go to the inner reefs because we wanted to dive those statues and stuff. But imagine if we were at the shelf right now. It wouldn't be glass, but it would be really good conditions, and we could have probably got some really big stuff there. But I mean, we're still happy with today. We got a bunch of trout. Diving those statues was insane. There was the biggest Queensland grouper on there. But yeah, the boys are just spearing out there. Literally, that's how glass off it is. You can see them. They're like 60 meters away from us right now. Yeah.